Are you start a garment production business but struggling with inefficient building processes? Introducing PEB Garment Building Construction, the solution designed specifically for your needs. Our pre-engineered building, PEB, systems are engineered to meet the unique needs of your production facilities, offering a seamless construction experience. With our innovative design, we provide a strong, durable, and versatile structure that allows for maximum flexibility in your workspace. Imagine a construction process that saves you time and money. Our advanced building technology ensures faster assembly, reducing downtime and enabling you to focus on what truly matters, your production and growth. The PEB system is customizable to adapt to your specific requirements, from spacious production floors to dedicated storage areas and vibrant offices. Not only do our buildings enhance functionality and workflow, but they also maintain industry standards, ensuring a safe and efficient environment for your team. The streamlined processes we implement result in long-lasting structures that thrive under the demands of garment manufacturing. Call us now to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.